PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides expert commercial AC installation in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, delivering reliable cooling solutions for offices, retail spaces, warehouses, and other commercial properties. Our experienced technicians assess your building's size, layout, and cooling requirements to recommend an energy-efficient air conditioning system that meets your business needs. We ensure precise installation, proper airflow, and system optimization for maximum performance and long-term reliability. A professionally installed commercial AC system helps maintain employee comfort, improve indoor air quality, and reduce operating costs. Trust PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania for professional commercial AC installation services designed for efficiency, comfort, and lasting value. Call us today, PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a commercial AC installation near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. Is professional commercial AC installation necessary? Yes, professional installation ensures proper system sizing, airflow balance, electrical connections, and refrigerant management. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania has the expertise needed to install commercial AC systems safely and correctly for maximum performance and longevity. How long does a commercial AC system last? A properly installed and maintained commercial AC system can last 15 to 20 years or more. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania provides installation and maintenance services designed to maximize equipment lifespan and ensure dependable cooling performance for businesses. What is your service office for commercial AC installation? Glen Mills, Pennsylvania. Our local commercial AC installation Glen Mills, Pennsylvania office has served Glen Mills, Pocopson, Chadds Ford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike, number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, https://pjmashvatz.com/air duct cleaning services Glen Mills/